Hi, I'm Ma'am Ange. Today we are going to learn about the distance formula. So take a look at the graph. How many points are there? Yes, there are 4 points. And now let's try to name or get the coordinates of the points. Point A is negative 3 and 5. Point B is 3 and 5. And point C, negative 3 and 0. And point D, 3 and 0. Let's try to find the distance between the following points. Point A and B. What is the distance? Yes, you're correct. It is 6 units. What about point A and C? You're right. It is 5 units. What about B and D? Yes, you're correct. It is 5 units. What about C and D? You're correct. It is 6 units. How did you solve for the distance? Did you use a formula? No, we didn't. So what we did is just merely looking at the graph, and then we will know the distance by counting. Like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance between A and B or B and A is 6 units. And also it goes with the distance between A and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 units. So what have you noticed on the distance? Yes, you're correct. This one, A and B, is equal to C and D. And A and C is equal to B and B and D. Now, remember this. The distance between 2 points is always non-negative, or we can always take the absolute value. And the distance is positive when the 2 points are on different location, and 0 if the points are on the same location. If A and B are 2 points, then the distance from A to B is the same as the distance from B to A. Hence, the length of AB is equal to the length of BA. Now, let's try to find the distance between point A and point D. Take a look at the graph. What have you noticed? Yes, it created what? A right triangle. So let's name this side A, and this side B, and this side C. And getting the point of this one, or getting the distance of this one, what theorem can be applied? Yes, we can apply now the Pythagorean theorem. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. By substitution, we have 6 squared plus B plus 5 squared is equal to 36 plus 25. And so the length of A and D is what? Or the distance between point A and point D is 7.81. Okay, now, how can we find a distance without using the graph? Can we still do it? So let's try this. Given the 2 points on the plane whose coordinates are A, 2 and 1, and B, 2 and 5, how far is point B from point A? By looking at the points and not on the graph, can we still get the distance? Yes, we can. And this time, we are going to use the distance formula. And the distance formula is the distance between 2 points is equal to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. So let's try to solve the problem now. So we have is equal to what? 2 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 1 square. And then simplify it. We have 0 square plus 4 square. And simplify it again. We have now square root of 16. And what's the square root of 16? It is 4. So the distance between B and A is 4 units. And now let's compare it by using the graph. Let's plot the points. We have 2 and 1. So this is our point A. And then 2 and 5, this is our point B. By looking at the graph, we can get the distance between B and A. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is 4 units. But then if we will use the formula, the distance formula, can we get the same distance? Let's check. So the distance formula is this one. Yes, we have 4 units also. So that is the distance formula. But then please, let's have another example. Okay, determine the distance between the following points. So let's solve for it. Solution. For number 1, we have D is equal to square root of 7 minus 1 square plus 11 minus 3 square. And then we get 6 square plus 8 square. And then simplify it, we have 36 plus 64. And the distance is the square root of 100, which is 10 units. What about number 2? Let's try to solve number 2. Again, distance formula is equal to, this time, 1 minus 1 square plus 5 minus 1 square. And then simplify, we have 0 square plus 4 square. And so the distance for number 2 is the square root of 16, which is 4 units. Okay, but then what if one point is the origin? What are we going to do? So if one point is the origin, the distance formula now is D is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So let's have an example. So take a look at example number 1. The first point is on the origin. Okay, so if it is in this case, we can use this formula. So for number 1 solution, we have D is equal to, so we are going to use this one as our x, 3 squared, and this one as our y. So that would be 4 square root. Then we have 9 plus 16 is equal to square root of 25. And what is the square root of 25? It is 5. So the distance between A and B is 5 units. Now, take a look. Take a look at number 2 example. This time, first point, the y is 0. And on the second point, the x is 0. In this case, even though it is not the origin, we can still use the formula D is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Why? It seems that this one, x and y, 0. So, it will fall on this formula. Therefore, we can use that for the distance. So, D is equal to the first point, we have just the x. So, x squared, so that is 3 squared. Plus, and then on second point, we only have the y. So, 4 squared is equal to 9 plus 16. And therefore, the distance between L and M is 5 units. That's it for distance formula. See you next time.